Hello there, traders. Hello, fellow champions. Welcome to another video of Trading for a Living Forex Champion series. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I posted a new video. However, I'm pretty much stoked about this. I'll be sharing with you guys how I scan my currency pairs, how I find certain opportunity or opportunities in the market, and I'll be teaching you a certain way or simple ways on how you can find the right opportunity in the market. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right. All right. Just a little commercial. I know a lot of you are asking me with regards to my mentorship. So, if you want to be my student, again, you might want to check out my Forex Zero to Hero Masterclass plus lifetime mentorship. So, just check all the description below, and basically if you want to learn my strategy, my system using champion system, again, feel free to message me anytime, anywhere. So all right, that's it. Again, I only promote what I know is the best. So if you want to trade with the best broker, trade with USGFX. Be smart, be informed, be with USGFX. All right. So let's go back to our charts. All right. So currently we are here at Euro NZD or Euro Kiwi currency pair. So the topic for today is uh, how do I scan for currency pairs to be able to trade with, or how do I find the right opportunity at a certain specific market. All right. So what I do to make it simple, right? And actually, this method, it actually depends on your strategy or system. So again, we all have different strategies and we all have different approach, or we all have different approaches in the market. But nevertheless, we can always simplify how we can find an opportunity, right? So I'll be sharing with you a simple method, guys. Just simple method. Again, my specific strategy for this video is actually more on market structure and just plain price action. So I don't want to complicate my trading style, and I don't want to complicate things in general. So, all right, this is the simple method that I come up with in order for you to scan your currency pairs and find the right opportunity. All right, so let's take Euro NZD for example. We all know, all right? So let's do this step by step in how can I find an opportunity as a sell or a buy. So given Euro NZD, so where are we at Euro NZD, right? Let's check first the actual charts, right? So Euro NZD. Currently, I know that I am at where? At where am I? I am at support. Alright, why is it that? It's plain and simple. Alright, previous resistance got broken, becomes what? Becomes new support. Alright, so I know that I am at support level on a daily time frame. So again, what do I find? I found what? A buying pressure candle, which means this engulfing candle implies that I am on a bullish market. Alright, so I have two confluence now. So previous resistance got broken, becomes new support, and at the support on a daily, I have what? A buying pressure candle. So going back to our table, Alright, so I can say that Euro NZD is at what? Is where? At support. And is there any uh, candlestick formation that I can relate to my support buy position? Alright, so buy at support, and then what? On a daily, I saw a buying pressure candlestick formation. So I can take that as a buy opportunity on a daily. Alright, so going down to a lower time frame, right? So let's check the lower time frame at Euro NZD. So going to the lower time frame at H1, right? Where am I at the market? Right? So this circle I know is the bullish engulfing candle. So but currently at H1, where am I? So considering the market structure, we know that the price what formed a low, a lower high, and then another lower low, and then what? A lower high, which means that I am on where? Market structure wise, what? I am below what? I am below at this resistance level. You see, this support got broken, becomes new resistance. Alright, so I know I am at below structure, and what? Okay, I am at a resistance, right? And what? I found a selling pressure candle. Considering we have selling pressure from this what candlestick formation, I even have a bearish engulfing candle, which means the momentum now is on a downside from an H1 perspective. All right, so that is why going back to our table, I marked my H1 time frame as what? I am below broken structure. Previous support now becomes my new resistance, and I also found what? A selling pressure candlestick formation. So which implies that on a daily, I am on a buy what? I'm on a buy position. However, on each one, the market structure is telling me that I need to sell. Okay? So again, I go down to another lower time frame for the entry. Right? So going back to our chart, I know on an H1, I am on a sell position. Alright? I am on a sell position. So, going down to a much lower time frame, how can I find an opportunity? Alright? Again, read the market structure and price action. Okay? Reading market structure, you can see that the market moves from on high, higher low, then higher high, and then what? See, the market broke this level, this higher low, which means that previous support becomes what? New resistance. So guys, it's pretty much simple how to find opportunity in the market, knowing just your market structure and price action. So what how can I find opportunity here as a sell? All right, as a sell, shorting position. Of course, I need to wait for the market to react where? React in this previous support becomes what? New resistance. So if I'm going to sell this market, I need to wait and find the right opportunity for me at this uh, selling zone, this broken structure. So I want to sell, for example, at this position, a short position. All right, right. If I'm going to sell this market, I'm going to sell at this zone for my opportunity. So where is my take profit? All right, going back to our table, all right, just to explain to you what happened in the 15 minutes. Again, on the 15-minute time frame, we saw the structure got broken from your previous support becomes new resistance. So that's why I'm looking for a position on a sell at this current market structure. All right. So going back to our table, so I can say that, all right, we all know that on H1, I am below structure and there is a selling pressure candle, which means on an H1, I can sell this market. All right. On a 15 minutes, I also found what? A broken structure below, which means that I have to enter at the resistance. Since I broke that support level, that will become a new resistance. Definitely, I will enter at the resistance. So, which means I will only sell at an H1 zone. Alright, so meaning my sell or take profit would be on the next support at an H1 level because I cannot mark my take profit beyond H1. Why? Because on a daily, I am on a buying position. All right, so I cannot sell the market all throughout until daily. So my limit for take profit will be only at the zone of my H1. So I can sell this market, entry at the 15 minutes, and sell within H1. So how do I find it? That TP. Okay, let's get straight. Go back to our charts. Right. So where is my take profit? Again, go back to your H1 time frame because H1 is our limit for what? For our what? For our uh, selling opportunity. Alright, so H1 is telling us to sell. However, daily is telling us to buy. So, which means I can sell this market within H1 time frame. Alright, so definitely, if I want to sell this market, I can only limit myself within H1 zones. So, where is my next significant support? Definitely, it is here. Right? Sorry. Definitely, it is here, right? So I can sell this market until here, right? Or, again, since my support level at the daily, okay, going back to our daily, right, is still here, all right? So this is the support level at the daily, right? Since the market already come up here, so which means my H1 limit for the take profit is just fine, meaning this can be my real take profit target on this opportunity as a selling position. All right. So that is how I find certain opportunities in the market. Regardless if the market on a daily time frame is showing me to buy, I can still find opportunity as a sell provided that I know where am I at the current structure within each time frame. All right. So the daily is telling me to buy. However, the H1 is telling me to sell. So which means I can provide a selling position or I can take a selling position within H1 level only. All right. Because if I'm going to long-term sell or short this market, definitely I will be burned. Why? Because overall the market is going up. All right. So I hope you understand this point. And I hope you understand the concept of this table. Just a simple analysis. You guys, you can do this on your own. Just a simple scanning. Again, this depends on your strategy. If you have an indicator, definitely you can put in some moving averages here or RSI or stochastic MACD, depending on what confirmation you are waiting. So definitely, I'm just waiting for a market structure and price action confirmations. That is why I come up with this simple table on how I can find opportunities for a trade, either a sell or a buy. So that is for Euro and ZD. How about for GBP CAD? Right? Let's take a look at the chart of GBP CAD. Right? let's take a look at the chart of GBP CAD. Alright, so go to a higher time frame. Okay, what do we have here? How can I find an opportunity in this market? So first things first, mark your zones. Alright, so I know I am at what? I am at support. Alright, and the market now reacted to our key significant support level on a daily. So is there any buying pressure or selling pressure confirmation at this zone, at the support? We can see here what? We can see here an engulfing candle. Right? Engulfing candle. Definitely engulfing implies that there's a surge of buyers as compared to the sellers, which means the buyers are overpowering the sellers, illustrated by this candlestick formation. So going back to our table for GBP CAD, right? I know that I am at support level. Yeah, which is correct. So I can take this as a buy opportunity. Then I saw a bullish engulfing candle, which means there's a buying pressure at the current zone or support level. So I take this opportunity as a buy. So we go down to a lower time frame for an H1. All right. Okay, we go down to a lower time frame. H1. Okay, I'll just delete this circle and see what price is telling me. All right, where am I at the zone for this price? All right, I saw here that the price broke structure, which means what? Again, the price broke structure of previous. Wait, I'll just zoom in. Right, the price broke structure of previous what? Here, diba? The price broke structure of previous resistance now becomes what? Now becomes support. All right. So the price broke structure and now becomes previous support. Right? Is there any buying pressure right now at this market? Is there any buying pressure I see at this current market? Yes, I see pin bars at this current condition. All right. So I see here buying pressure on this candle. All right. So go back to our table. Right. So going back to our table, we can see here that we know that on an H1 time frame, the price broke structure, the previous resistance now becomes support, so I will take that position as a buy. Correct. And then I saw pin bars. Definitely, there's a buying pressure at the current market. All right. So again, I will go down to a much lower time frame for our entry. So let's take a look again at our charts. All right. So this is on an H1 time frame. So on a 15-minute time frame, what can we see? All right. Again, you can see here what the price broke structure. All right. The price broke structure, which means previous support got broken, a previous resistance got broken, becomes new support. And then what? The price is showing me again what? Buying pressure formations through this candlestick, right? A lot of buying pressure here at this previous resistance becomes new support. So definitely on a 15-minute time frame, I can buy at support level. So if I'm going to buy this market or take a long position, right? I can take this opportunity for a buy above below structure for this pin bar, or you can take this as here, just below here, and then where's my take profit? All right, where's my take profit? So going back to our table again, right? So the 15-minute time frame showed me what? I again broke structure, previous support, previous resistance becomes new support, and then this table is showing me that what? I should enter at support. So I am now at support provided the candlestick formation with buying pressure candles or pin bars. So definitely if I would take the trade, I would take a buy trade. Sorry, this should be buy trade at 15-minute at correct. A buy trade at daily zone, which means my next resistance take profit will be the next resistance at the daily. Why? Because I know from a daily down to 15 minutes, there are buy opportunities, no selling opportunities as of the moment. Alright, so I can say that my take profit will be the next resistance on a daily. So I can capitalize on this huge move of the market. Alright, so we will take a buy trade going back to a daily, right? My next take profit would be this next resistance level. Oh, sorry, for a buy opportunity. All right. Okay, my TP will be here. All right. Okay. So going back to the 15 minutes. All right. You don't want to panic in this uh, candlestick formations as of now, since we already have buying pressure at what? At our support from previous season becomes new support. So you always have to read the market structure. So this is my setup, sorry, for this opportunity. All right. So we all know that in order to find an opportunity, you just have to tabulate your strategy or what? Tabulate your ideas on how to incorporate your strategy to the actual charts. All right. So for this case, I am incorporating price action, market structure on this specific simple scanning of opportunities, not actually the currency pairs. So you can see here, you can play around, you can customize this table with your own design, with your own analogy. But the thing is, everyone can make simple scanning. Everyone can do this. So you don't have to depend on other people. You don't have to depend on sentiment applications or website just to find an opportunity. Again, those are not accurate. So you just have to match your simple scanning table to your strategy. Again, if you're using indicators, what? Go check out or add in some indicators here like moving averages, RSI, whatever. So as long as you know what you are doing and you know that you have a simple strategy. So if you don't have the system, definitely you cannot apply this simple scanning table. All right. So that is how you can find opportunities in the market. Right. That is how you can find opportunities in the market and be selective in your trades. And you know where is the limit of your take profit depending on which time frame you're actually selling or buying. So again, just a recap, Euro NZD showing me to buy on a daily. However, on an H1 is showing me to sell. So definitely if I'm going to enter the market at 15 minutes, my take profit limit will be only at H1 because the H1 is telling me to sell. That is my limit only for my selling opportunity. Alright. However, for GBP CAD, if I'm going to you can see here that the daily time frame provided me an opportunity for a buy as well as for an H1. Definitely if I'm going to enter at 15 minutes, I will only buy at support, but my take profit will be what? On a daily zone, meaning if I'm at support, my take profit would be on the next resistance of the daily time frame. So that is how I scan and find opportunities in every currency pair that I analyze. So it may be tedious for some, but I guess this is how I got better in my trades. This is how I got better overall throughout my progress as a profitable trader. Alright guys, so I hope you find value in this tutorial. Then again, there's no perfect system. What I'm trying to say is everyone can learn forex trading as long as you have the passion. Everyone can be profitable as long as you follow your system rules. If you don't have the system, if you don't have the strategy, definitely you're just playing in a circle of doom or a cycle of doom because you keep changing strategies. Guys, you just have to tweak your strategies and not constantly change it. Right? So again, always practice risk management. I don't care what other people say to don't use stop loss or whatever. Again, we treat trading as a business, not as a game. Again, we're dealing with probabilities here and possibilities. Even you have the perfect analysis at your own point of view, there's a certain period of time that it will go against you. So you have to be prepared, be reactive, than be predictive. Alright, so I hope you find value in this tutorial, you find value in this video. So guys, thank you to all your support, and what else? Uh, Thank you to all your support, to all my VIP students, uh, to all those people who just subscribed to my channel. Again, if you are new to this channel or you're just watching it right now, you may want to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you are notified and updated every time I posted a new video. So more tutorials coming your way, and I hope you keep supporting this channel. And I always try my best to provide you quality education throughout my experiences in my trading career. So again, thank you and God bless you all, you guys. See you at the next video.